finally, the wait is over. I just received my new B&G 3G radar, and let me show what's inside the box. Very good, sturdy lid, very well packed. We have the instruction here. So this is the Ethernet cable. We've got the 20-meter radar cable. Sounds like a mounting kit. Very big box full of washers and 4 of these 8mm bolts, probably stainless, 316. This is the R10 interface box. And I thought we also have some small thingies for connecting everything. And then the beauty of it all, let's check it out. Whoa! It's actually quite huge. Okay, so you might ask, how do we connect everything? So let me try to explain. Of course, the big cable, the fat end here is going to go to the radar itself with this big, I think it's like a 20-pin connector. The other end has a RJ45 connector and some power. And that one is going to go to the interface box. So the interface box is very nicely labeled. It has a radar, power, some network, and some SIPnet there. So this one will of course plug into radar here. And from the interface box to my chart plotter, so I'm having a Vulcan 9 B&G. This one will fit these tubes and numerous others. You have this Ethernet cable, which is not really, well, it's an Ethernet cable, but it has like different plugs. It's going to plug into the network. So this one is going to go up to the chart plotter itself. And then you connect the entire system with a SIPnet. So I have a mixture of Simrad and B&G. So I have the SIPnet. You could also have like normal NMEA 2000. But anyway, I'm gonna plug in just a SIPnet to the entire SIPnet network. Good. So in the next video, I'm gonna talk about and make my own custom-made bracket for this one. So I'm not gonna mount this on the mast where you would normally see it. I'm probably gonna put it on a pole. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you wanna make sure you're not gonna miss the next video, please put a little bell icon and then subscribe, of course. So see you next time.